people of the interweb, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okachi to my channel. Hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, beauty and lifestyle. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you love those kinds of videos. And if you're to my channel, welcome. So guys, today's video is my first ever wash day video this year with my natural hair. I did one earlier on in the year with my braids, and since then the girl has not done a wash day video on the internet. Guys, you guys know I love wash day videos. My wash day videos are my favorite videos to make. I have a dedicated wash day video playlist linked here, so please check it out, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get into the video. So guys, I first went ahead to just drench my hair. I can detangle my hair with that conditioner. If you guys have been following my channel, you would know the conditioner I'm talking about. But I just detangled my hair like off camera, and now I'm just drenching my hair. You want to drench your hair with water when you want to shampoo, guys. Get water all over your hair, guys. My hair looks so thick and so dark, and so it is everything you think it is. My hair looks so good. I really like, oh my lord, I'm just surprised. Like looking at the video now, it just looks so beautiful. So I went in with this shampoo from Garnier. It is their something extract, green tea and green apple extract. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I told you guys that I started shedding like crazy. I started using like a conditioning shampoo or a shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1 kind of sort of combo. I really love how this made my hair feel. Watch out for the review on my channel later on, okay? So I'm just applying it everywhere, getting it on my scalp or along the strands and just working it in. Actually, it was a very good shampoo. I like to shampoo even on my edges. I like to get that shampoo everywhere. Some people will be like, Kachi, oh, why are you shampooing your hair in twist? I'm shampooing in twist to reduce shedding, to reduce breakage, just to reduce everything that you want to reduce, okay? Because when you shampoo your hair as an afro, like your hair is more prone to like tangling, and tangles can lead to breakage. You guys get the gist now. You can check out my other playlist linked at the top right corner where I talked about shampooing and why we shampoo in twist and the whole shampooing process, okay? So I'm just working it in on my scalp. I'm going with the cushions of my fingertips. I'm not going with my nails, guys. Your hair is not jeans. Your hair is not cat tire. Take it easy. Take it easy. Work that shampoo in every section. Get it everywhere. And then that's what I had to just rinse it off.
Bankroll is the only mind. Tryna get to the time. I don't want rain. This must be my time. Bankroll is still in my mind. Tryna get to it every time. I can't wait in line. This must be my time.
I told a bitch back up, you gon' need to get them stacks up. No, I don't need no wait for my bitch that's lacking. Told her if you wanna wait, you gon' need a bust so wide open at the back end. I don't pretend, I say I ain't never in my feels. I'm trying to make a meal, only thing that's on my mind. That's why
Bad bitch, I love her in the bystanders. All these feelings in the bystanders. I can't get stuck in the past tense. Bad bitch, I put her in the bystanders. I've been struggling in this backhands. Mine's been lurking in the past tense. Every moment I feel bit tense.
Hey guys, so at this point my hair was very clean. I had washed out all the shampoo, guys. Peep the thickness, guys. If you go back and watch my previous wash day videos, you'll just be like, wow, Kachi, your hair has come a very long way. So right now I'm just deep conditioning my hair. The whole concept of conditioning is just to like add moisture back to your hair, because shampoos can be a little stripping and for pH balancing, and conditioning your hair gives you the chance to detangle your hair, so you can get rid of all those tangles, all those knots, all that shedding. Okay, so personally, I'm not using combs in this routine, guys. I have not used a comb in my hair in like 3 weeks. Oh my lord, it's not easy because you guys know me. Once I've already pulled out combs to start combing my hair, but because of my shedding and I'm trying to reduce breakage in my hair, I've like been exclusively finger detangling. So you want to get a conditioner all over your strands. Personally, I don't like applying conditioners to my roots, because the truth is conditioners are actually not for your scalp. It's not for your scalp at all. But people like can beg to differ. But personally, And scientifically also, conditioners are not for your scalp. They are not scalp products, they are hair products. You condition your hair to make your hair soft. You don't need to make your scalp soft. Okay. So I'm not trying to put like my hair in sections. Okay, I'm working with the sections I had from shampooing. I'm just putting everything in bantu knots. And I'm getting the conditioner all over on my strands. This conditioner was not the best. I'm going to reveal it, and I'm not even going to mention the name here because it wasn't the best in my own humble opinion, but that's not the focus of this video. I just had to work with it because that's what I had at the moment. But anywho, I was trying to get rid of any form of shedding and tangles, working it on my strands, just trying to get it everywhere. Okay, so you can see my hair, the definition, my curls are popping. I really don't care if my curls pop with a deep conditioner. I really do not care. But I use this conditioner as an instant conditioner. I do not do the regular wear a shower cap, wait to steam and all that stuff. No, I just apply it to my hair as an instant conditioner. These days, I have just been an instant conditioner girl. I've gone through like 2 or 3 bottles of instant conditioner. Okay, 3 bottles already. I'm not like on deep conditioning train like that. I only like happen to deep condition with my masks from my company DIYs by Kachi. I don't do that with my regular condition, my deep conditioners. No, I don't have this time and the strength. Because right now I'm just washing everything off. Just trying to get rid of all the conditioner. You have to try your best to wash out like all the product from your hair, your shampoo, your conditioner, wash it out thoroughly, because if you don't wash it out thoroughly, these are the things that cause dandruff, that cause itchy scalp, that cause flakes, that cause irritation on your scalp. When you leave your shampoo, that cause extremely dry scalp when you don't wash out your shampoo and your conditioner very well. This is what actually causes it. Okay, so I'm just washing it out, and yeah.
Demons behind me, they go vision, the go.
So at this point, I was actually done with Washday. This is just my hair. I'm just showing you guys how my hair looked after the whole shampooing and conditioning process. Just it. My curls actually looked very nice. You guys know that my front hair is like very wavy, so it looked very nice, and I really did not mind. I just went ahead to get moisturizing. Okay. So for my entire moisture routine, please check this card link to the top right corner. This moisture routine is perfect if you have like excessive shedding. What I'm going in here with is my DIYs by Kachi Revitalizing Tea Blend. This is like perfect for shedding. You guys know I told you guys I have an experience in shedding. So yeah, I'm using this as the L in my LC method of moisturization. My LC method, okay, I'm just finger detangling and just trying to like work that product in. You have to apply it to your scalp and your hair. Don't forget to get your product from DIYs by Kachi. That's my company. So I'm going to be my DIYs by Kachi hair and body, but I'm applying it very close to my scalp. Not on my scalp, guys. Very close to my scalp. Okay, I'm using this to like twist my hair. I'm applying it all over my strands, so just laying down moisture, all that good stuff, okay? And then I'm also applying it to my ends and to the body of my hair. This butter is the shit, guys. It is so amazing. I love it. I love it. I don't use any other butter in my hair but this one at this point, okay? So you want to apply like the butter to your ends also. This butter has very amazing ingredients. It has a bunch of herbs. It's just like, oh my goodness. It has mango butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter. 3 butters in one. Okay, I'm applying it to my ends because if your ends are dry, your hair would break. And this is my hair, super moisturized. For those that, for context, your hair does not have to be shiny for it to be moisturized. Your hair does not have to have your curls pop for it to be moisturized. Your hair does not have to be shining like gold. Many people are like, oh, your hair looks dry. It's not dry, baby. It's not dry. Let's try to know the right things, okay? Okay. So I'm putting my hair in this protective style. I'm just doing like loose twist. Guys, see that length? Oh, well. I look so distracted. Like, oh my Lord, what am I looking at? I look so distracted. And now I'm bound to knot in my ends. For the tutorial on how to do this, please check the card link in the top right corner. Check out that YouTube short. This will help with like length retention. Okay, so I spent here to just like finish up the hair off camera. I applied this is my edges trigger elixir from my company DRS by Kachi. It's very amazing to grow your edges. Okay, please don't forget to shop your products from my company DRS by Kachi. And then I did a very quick massage, and that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Tell me the last shampoo to wash your hair for your last wash. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, subscribe to my channel, join the people of the interweb, join the K gang. Okay, I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man.